Hello, welcome to Golden Apple Parenting A to Z. Parents, are you raising your children in a way that is convenient for you, or you're putting them into consideration? You know, in our parenting journey, we parent our children the same way we were parented. And of course, you may not be, you may not be an intentional parent, you may not be a conscious parent, but you can make a choice to do that. You can make a choice to be present in your children's lives. You can make a choice to be intentional in the way you discipline. You can make a conscious decision to just be present. When we parent our children in a way that, is not intentional, we do things in an autopilot manner. For instance, if a child makes a mistake, let's say your child hit another child, I think the autopilot reaction would be, there's no more played it. You hit someone else and you want to punish. We forget so quickly that the idea is to discipline, not to punish. Also, before I forget, you remember the word discipline comes from a Latin word, disciple, which means to teach. So our aim as parents should be to discipline, to teach, and not to just instill pain or instill shame or instill fear so that they can just do things the way you want them to do. Now, back to this example. So these autopilot reactions we have, sometimes we yell, sometimes we spank, sometimes we punish, and we don't take time to understand what need our child is trying to communicate to us. And this is a short-term remedy because, when you shout, when you yell, when you spank, you get the children to comply. Short-term remedy. So of course you instill fear and you instill shame, but at the end of the day, you get them to do what you want. But is it productive in the long run? No, it is not. So at this point, it is very important for us to use these opportunities to teach them skills that can help them in the life after, because they are with us for a certain period of time, and then we release them into the outside world. So this time that they make mistakes, this time that you feel like you just want to shut them down and just make them comply, remember, that is not the right way to do it, because when they make mistakes, it's a room for you to teach communication skills, conflict resolution, emotional regulation, empathy, and these are skills that are going to help them even in the world out there. So remember, whatever situation is, as emotionally provoking as it is, just remember it is an avenue for you to teach your child to survive in the outside world. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.